You guys, today we're making a clicker game. So, first, we are going to go to the events and get a green flag. We're going to hover our mouse, click, and we're going to drag it into the workspace. So then, what the green flag does is when you press the green flag, it runs the code. And so if I put the green flag, and I press the green flag, the sprite will move. A sprite is a character in code. So now we can keep pressing it and it will keep moving. See? When we press the green flag, it moves. So now we get the green flag and let's get a new sprite. Let's go over here to choose a sprite and let's use the butterfly. Okay, so we delete all the sprites. So we get the green flag. And then we make a variable. A variable allows you can set the variable to a value. So let's call the variable times clicked. Now we press OK. And then we can see times clicked variable. So then when green flag is clicked, we go over to variables, we grab the set my variable block, and we change it to times clicked, and we change it to 0. Then we go to events and we press and we get the when this sprite is clicked. And we can put change the times clicked by 1. So now when we press the green flag, when we click the sprite, the times click changes. But that's boring. Let's make it funner by getting a go to random position. Then we press when we press it, it goes to a different spot. And now let's go into the backdrops. We go up here where it says backdrops. And then we choose a backdrop, and I'm going to choose the blue sky. Then we go back to the green flag, but the butterfly is still over there, so we should fix that. We grab a go to X, Y, and we put it right here, and we put it to 0, X 0, and Y 0. So 0, X 0, and Y 0 makes it go to the middle. So now you can press it, and then when we press the green flag, it'll go back to the center. Let's also make it get bigger when we click it. When we start, we can set the size to 0, and then we can change the size every time we click it by 1. So then, oh, that's way too tiny. 10. So now, as we click it, it gets bigger. But what if we start it with 500? Then we change it by -1. Actually, let's do -10. That's -10 or 101. Okay, -10. So now when we click it, it gets smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. See, it's already way smaller. Or we can change it by 50. So if we press the green flag again, it gets smaller and smaller and smaller until we actually have to look for it. See, now it's very small. But I think -10 is okay. We can also make it change the color effect when the sprite is clicked. And we can put it right here. So now when we click it, it changes color. That's cool. What else should we add? Let's make a new sprite. And we instead of pressing the choose sprite, we're gonna press the paint sprite. And then this will show up. We go to the T, and then we click in the middle. And then we can make a good job screen. So we can put good job or something like that. You have 10. You have clicked 10 times. So then we can go over to here and we can make this go to the center. Then we have to drag it, the little plus, into the middle. So then we can put when we press the green flag, we see a good job, you have clicked 10 times. So that's not what we want to do. So we grab the when green flag is clicked, then we go to front layer and we can make it go to a random position. And then we can put if on edge bounce because we don't want it to be at the edge. Next we have to make we grab another green flag and we grab a wait until. We go to the operators and then we get a this equal operator. We go to the variables, get times clicked, and when it equals 10, then we can show it. Then we can put a wait 5 seconds, and then we can hide it. And grab a show block, a hide block, to put it right here. So now, when we play, we have 0 times clicked, and we click it, and look what happens when we reach 10. It says, good job, you have clicked 10 times, and then it should disappear. It disappeared. So we have to add 3 more. So we can add 20 times. Then we go into the code, we change it to 20. We duplicate it again. We change it to 30. We go into the code, change that to 30. And it should work. We keep clicking, 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 clicking. It shows you have 10 times. And then it disappears. Good job. We have clicked 20 times. And then we reach 30. Okay, that's all. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun.